Okay, let's do some math for fun. Here we're going to integrate 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. Of course, you guys can just tell me the answer is inverse tangent of x plus c. But in that case, where's the fun, right? Anyway, that was just the answer in the real world. Why don't we go to the complex world now? So let's see. To do so, we have to look at x squared plus 1 and factor that with the imaginary unit, I. So this right here, we can get x minus I times x plus I. And then from here, we can do partial fraction. Haha. So this is equal to, for the first one, we will have something over x minus I. And then we are going to add it with, the second one is x plus I in the denominator like this. Now, of course, we can also do cover up. Yes, we're going to do cover up in the complex world as well. So to figure this out, because this is linear, on the top it has to be just a constant. So it's just a number. We'll do cover up. Here, the denominator is x minus 1. I will go here, cover this up, and ask yourself, how can you make your hand 0? X has to be I to make this factor 0, right? Then you plug in I into the remaining x, which is there. So you have 1 over I plus I, which is 1 over 2i, like that. And then same thing right here, x plus I here. I will go back here and then cover this up and ask yourself, how can we make this 0? X has to be negative I. Plugging negative I into 1 over x minus I, you get 1 over negative 2i. So we have this right here, minus 1 over 2i. Yeah. So let's see what happens. This right here, you can just maintain that 1 over 2i. And then if you integrate this remaining part, you get natural log of, well, technically, absolute value. You're in the complex world already. Do you really need absolute value? I don't know. No, you don't have to, because you can plug in an egg. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about the absolute value. Yeah. So you have ln of x minus I, and then for the next one right here, you just minus 1 over 2i, and then you have ln of x plus I. So this is pretty much it, if you guys would like. But of course, we can do better, because now you can see that this and that, they have the same coefficient, so we can factor that out, 1 over 2i. And then we can combine the natural logs. So this is natural log, parentheses, x minus I, over that, which is x plus I. And it depends on how you want to simplify this, because you see that you have the I on the bottom. I don't like to be on the bottom, so you can maybe fix that. Well, similar situation, you have the I right here. So perhaps let's fix both. I'm going to multiply this guy by I and I. Likewise, here I will multiply by the conjugate, which is x minus I, and then x minus I. Okay, so it's like that. Now,